Sunyar Food presents how to make mango iced tea. For making this refreshing drink, we'll need sugar, 1 diced mango, fresh mint leaves, 1 cup of freshly brewed tea and a lot of ice. Firstly, put the diced mangoes in your desired glass. Now, add 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves. Using a muddler, muddle the mint leaves and mangoes together. Add 6 to 7 ice cubes to the drink. Pour about half a cup of tea to the muddled mix. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar to sweeten it up. Add 1 glass of ice cold water. Add a few more bits and pieces of mango. Lastly, garnish the drink with mint leaves. And voila! Now your magnificent mango iced tea is ready to beat the heat. For more such content, keep on watching Sunyar in India. Don't forget to like, share and comment as well.